I'm myself Palakunta Navel, roll number 49. My topic is about instruction sets and behind computers, complexity and controversy. Outline points of clarification, risk and sys defined points of attention and contention, risk 2 and the MCF evaluation, multiple register sets, the 432 and the summary. First, points of clarification. And let's see what is risk. RISC or Reduced Instruction Set Computer is a type of microprocessor architecture that utilizes a small, highly optimized set of instructions rather than a more specialized set of instructions often found in other types of architectures. And let's see what is CISC. A complex instruction set computer is a computer in which single instructions can execute several low-level operations, such as a load from memory, an arithmetic operation, and a memory store, or are capable of multiple step operations or addressing modes within single instructions. Disk defined single cycle operation, load store designed, hardware control, no microcode, few instructions and addressing modes, fixed instruction format, more compile time effort, split data and instruction caching. Towards defining a risk. Since the earliest digital electronic computers, instruction sets have tended to grow larger and more complex. The 1948 Mark I had only 7 instructions of minimal complexity, such as adds and simple jumps, but a contemporary machine like the VAX has hundreds of instructions. Furthermore, its instructions can be rather complicated, like automatically inserting an element into a doubly linked list or evaluating a floating point polynomial of the arbitrary degree. Any high performance implementation of the WAGs as a result has to rely on complex implementation techniques such as pipelining, prefetching, and multi-cycle instruction execution. CISC in comparison, larger and more complex, multiple cycle execution micro instructions, upward compatible, helped by obsolete instructions, standardized, more hardware on chip logic, fewer registers, unfired cache. Towards defining a CISC. Instruction traces from CISC machines consistently show that few of the available instructions are used in most computing environments. This situation led IBM's John Park in the early 70s to contemplate a departure from traditional computer styles. The result was a research project based on an ECL machine that used a very advanced compiler creativity named 801 for the research group building number. Little has been published about that project, but what has been a released speaks for a principled and coherent research effort. Risk and CISC general points. CISC built for language assembly. CISC built for memory conservation. CISC focuses on standards and compatibility. RISC designed for speed. RISC stimulates access to code and operands. RISC reliance on compilers. Misconceptions about RISC and CISC. Implementation. The discussion is limited to selection of instruction set. Trade-offs across various boundaries. Architecture by implementation. Hardware, software. Compile time, runtime. Machine performance difficult to interpret. Absolute number of instruction is not the only criterion. Here we see the instruction sets and behind computers complexity and controversy. Here computer system organization architectures are derived from computer system organizations and Parallel architectures are designed from architectures and very long instructions for serial architectures, complex instruction set computing, reduced instruction set computing. From other side, computing methodologies, parallel computing methodologies, parallel algorithms. You can set out a simple set of axioms and deduction rules, but the thing is that all they do is to reduce the complexity of some task so that they can be carried out. Roger Penrose suggested that we need new physics to go beyond the turning limit. So a self-modifying instruction set following program does not help at all. Instruction sets and beyond computers complexity and controversy. In all research that utilizes a computer, instructions for the research are stored in software, and the complexity of the data generation mechanism and the computational here is the link to his talk. Everything is dangerous. A controversy, one of the most amazing set of presentations I have attended in recent memory. Here we see the graph of effect of MRS on CISC. Towers of Handy, Fibonacci, Ackermann. The plane is stand for standard wax and the middle one is standard for MRS added and the lines one is added for overlapped MRS added. Here we'll see another one graph. Risk 2 and the MCF evaluation. Used by Department of Defense to evaluate life cycle cost of computers. Efficiency defined as program size, memory bus traffic, canonical processor cycles. WAX risk judged by the MCF. Risk to evaluation compared to WAX. WAX requires 3.5 times less memory for program instructions. Risk 2 has 2.5 times more processor memory traffic. This is example, the 432. Object-oriented geared towards ADA, every object protected uniformly, variable length instructions, on-chip microcode, every memory reference is checked. The Intel 432 is a classical example of this. It is an object-oriented VLSI microprocessor chipset designed expressly to provide a productive ADA programming environment for large-scale, multiple processor systems. Its architecture supports object orientation such that every object is protected uniformly without regard to traditional distinctions such as supervisor user mode or system user data structures. The 432 has a very complex instruction set. Its instructions are bit encoded and range in length from 6 to 321 bits. The 432 incorporates a significant degree of functional migration from software to on-chip microcode. The interprocessor communication send primitive is a 432 machine instruction for instance. Conclusions. When comparing risk with CISC, you should use similar hardware organizations. Benefits depend on types of programs being run, whether requirements are based on performance, reliability, some other factor or set of factors. That's all about my topic. Thank you.